Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Relume with Webflow. First, understand that Relume offers a comprehensive library of over 1,000 pre-built components designed to accelerate your website development. Webflow, on the other hand, is a visual development tool that allows you to build and launch professional websites without writing code. Together, they create a powerful synergy, enabling you to build high-quality, responsive websites much faster and more efficiently. Once you're familiar with both platforms, dive into Relume's component library. You'll find over 1,000 components, categorized for easy navigation. Choose sections like heroes, features, or footers, and drag them onto your canvas. Relume's system ensures consistent spacing, typography, and colors, saving you hours of manual styling. This structured approach helps maintain design integrity across your entire project. Now for the exciting part, bringing your Relume design into Webflow. After assembling your components in Relume, you can export them. Relume generates clean, semantic HTML and CSS, ready for Webflow. Simply copy the code from Relume and paste it into an embed element or directly into your Webflow canvas. This process ensures that all your carefully crafted styles and structures transfer perfectly, maintaining design fidelity. With your Relume components now in Webflow, the real customization begins. Use Webflow's powerful visual editor to fine-tune every detail. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing, or add dynamic interactions and animations. Remember to optimize for responsiveness across all devices, from mobile to desktop. This combined workflow allows for rapid prototyping and development, giving you a robust and flexible foundation for any website project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.